start. With the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum dear educarians. I hope that you all are fine and stay safe at home. Welcome in computer class. Today we are going to start lesson number 1 and our today's topic is Introduction to Computers. So let's start. Material required for this lesson is lead pencil, eraser, sharpener, ruler, highlighter and computer notebook. I hope that you all have collected all these things and get ready for the lesson. Topic Chapter number 1 Introduction to Computers. And our today's discussion topic is working of a computer. Learning objectives. After today's lesson, you will be able to define how a computer works, what is IPO cycle, what is input, processing and output. Dear students, now take out your computer notebook and open worksheet about working of a computer. Dear students, this worksheet is already pasted on your computer notebook. Let's start reading. In our everyday, we generally follow the IPO cycle. Dear students, हम अपने डेली लाइफ में भी जो भी वर्क करते हैं उसमें IPO साइकिल को फॉलो करते हैं. IPO stands for input, processing and output. I stands for input, P stands for processing and O stands for output. Let us first look at some examples to understand this process. Example: to sharpen a pencil. Material required: pencil and sharpener. This is called input. And when you are sharpening the pencil, this is called processing. And when your pencil is sharp, this is called output. Can you think of some more daily activities and break them into this kind of IPO cycle? आप अपनी डेली लाइफ से भी ऐसी बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ ले सकते हैं जिसमें आप IPO साइकिल को फॉलो करते हैं. लाइक टू बेक अ केक. Ingredients of a cake, this is called input. And when a cake being baked in the oven, this is called processing. And when a delicious cake is ready, this is called output. You can also take some more examples from your daily activities and break them into this kind of IPO cycle. Next one is input. The data and instructions. Instructions mean hadayat, which a computer gets is called input. The data which we enter through keyboard, this is called input. Processing. The entered data is processed or changed into meaningful information by the CPU. Data को meaningful information में CPU change करता है. CPU is a processing device. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. C stands for Central, P stands for Processing and U stands for Unit. Output. The result of processing is known as output. The output is displayed through output devices like the monitor or printer. Now it's time for notebook work. This is your computer notebook. Before starting notebook work, firstly, you will write index on this page. Our today's index is serial number 1, date, topic, title page, chapter number 1, question answer number 1. Dear students, today we will make title page and content page of chapter number 1. Here is the title page of chapter number 1, Introduction to Computers. Dear students, you can also paste or draw the picture of computer. Here is the content page. Content, chapter number 1, Introduction to Computers. Reading, exercise, question answer, worksheet, and class assessment. Firstly, draw a margin line and then write day, date, and today's task. Topic: Introduction to Computers. Question answer number 1. Question number 1. What do you understand by IPO cycle? Give an example. Answer: the cycle followed by a computer of taking input, processing it, and giving the output is known as IPO cycle. Open next page, draw a margin line and then write today's task. For example, making mango milkshake. I hope that you all have understood our today's lesson. Let's summarize it once again. How a computer works. A computer works through IPO cycle. What is IPO cycle? I stands for input, P stands for processing, and O stands for output. What is input? The data and instructions which a computer gets is called input. The computer gets instructions through input devices like a keyboard or mouse. Next one is processing. The entered data is processed or changed into meaningful information by the CPU. Next one is output. The result of processing is known as output. The output is displayed through output devices like the monitor or printer. Now, it's time for task to do. Revise worksheet about working of a computer from computer notebook. Make title page and content page of chapter number 1 and write and learn question number 1 of chapter number 1 on your computer notebook. So, I hope today's lesson is helpful for you. I will see you in my next lesson. Till that time, take care yourself and others. Allah Hafiz.